Yes, now the sixth, or we can say the last question of this exercise is state the face value and place value of the underlined digit. Here two more new words are there. Place value, you all are knowing about the place value order and its value. Then face value. Face value is something different for you. Face value means whatever the number is underlined or whatever the number is given to you, that number only is the face value. That means that number will not be multiplied with any other number like 10, 100 or anything else, or no zeros will be put after that number. That means face value will remain as it is, that number. No changes will come in that number. Like if I say here it is 1, so if I say the face value of 1 is 1 only. If I say here 2, so the face value of 2 is 2 only. No need to multiply with any number or put any zeros. So for this we have to make one table like this, and the numbers will be given to you, and in front of it you have to write the face value as well as place value of that given number. Here underlined digit is given, so that means you have to say the face value and place value of that digit only, not for whole numbers. Okay, here the number is 851325, that is 8,51,325, and the underlined digit is 1. We have to see here the place value order, that is ones, tens, then 100, 1000, 10,000, then lakh. This order will be written or will be useful only for the place value. This order will be useful for only place value. But for the face value, nothing you have to see here and there and think about it. Only simply write that number. Like the face value of this 1 will be 1 only. No 1000, no mentioning of any zeros, nothing. So the face value will be 1. And the place value will be, as the 1 is at thousands position, so this will be 1000, which is having 3 zeros. Understood the difference between face value and place value? In place value you have to see the place value order, and in face value nothing you have to worry about zeros and its place value. You have to directly write that number only. Okay, let's see the one more question, that is 743610, that is 7,43,610. The underlined digit is 4. 4 is at 10,000's position. 4 is at 10,000's position. So this will be useful only for the place value, but for face value I will simply write that number, nothing else. The face value of this 4 will be 4 only, no 40,000 and all. Okay, but for place value I have to write here 4, then 4 zeros, which makes your 40,000, because 4 is at 10,000's place, so this will make 40,000. Okay, one more question, let's see, that is 543791, that is 5,43,791. The underlined digit is 7, which is at hundreds place. Okay, now the face value of 7 will be only 7. I will not write here 700, I will only write 7, because it is asked face value. Face means whatever is seen on the first look, that value will be only the face value of that given number. Now 7 is at hundreds place, so the place value will be 700. As you can see here, after 7 2 more digits are there. For 2 digits I will write here 2 zeros, that will make 700, and that will be the place value of this number. Okay, so here we end up with the exercise 1.2. Previous question which we have done about that give the place value of each digit, there you can use the side and write. Okay, no need to write up and down, you can use the side and write. And in this face value and place value, you have to make the table and then write the answer. Similar questions I will give you for the practice. Hope you have understood this question. So here we end up with this exercise. We'll meet further with the new exercise in our next class. Thank you.